Okay, I am having a problem with my RXT, and this is a 2007 Sea-Doo RXT. And the issue I'm having is when I try to press this to get it start, it does nothing. Here, little click. As soon as I connect it, I will connect it. I'm sure you can hear that. I tried switching this out. I checked all the fuses, all good. The only thing I can think of maybe is these right here. Not sure what they are, but if anybody can help me out, that would be cool. That'd be great. Brand new battery, spin charge, 13 volts coming out of there. What I did was switch batteries from this jet ski to this jet ski. I switched the module, this here, from that jet ski to this jet ski, and same thing, nothing. 2007 RXT. If you guys can help me out, leave it in the comment. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.